So live your life. You steady chasing that paper, just live your life.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a breakfast sandwich made out of never mind, you'll see it in the video. But you already know. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. I'm gonna get this breakfast sandwich made with garlic bread. It's garlicky. I couldn't even say it. Garlicky. Toast. So yeah, y'all, let's see what this joint tastes like. Give it a close look. Ooh. Y'all, this is good. All right, you guys, this is what we're going to be using to make the breakfast sandwich. All right, y'all, so first we're going to go ahead and make the cream cheese chives. Cream cheese and chives. So I already had this sitting out for about an hour so it can soften up. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop some out. I'm not going to use a lot because I'm only making one breakfast sandwich. So that's about enough right there. Now I'm going to take the fresh chives and I'm going to cut some of these up, chop some of these up. I just rinsed these off, so yeah. Just going to take them just like that and just cut them. Try to cut them in small pieces. Okay, that should be enough. And now we're going to use the onion powder. Next, some garlic powder. And we're going to give this a stir. And you guys, if my videos be low, sound too low, I'm going to get ready to fix that. Because for Christmas, I got some microphones. So now you guys will be able to hear me better. So once I get those set up, I was trying to get it set up for this video, but it wasn't pairing well with my phone. So once I finish this video, I'm gonna work on that. That's gonna be my next project right after this, to get that paired with my phone. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this stirred up for you guys. And I also have some dry, I think I want some more chives in there too. I got some dry chives, but I don't know how that's gonna taste. But I think I wanna add some more chives to that. Okay. More. Alright, so now that is done. That's all you need to do with that. Just cream cheese, chives, onion powder, garlic powder. Give that a stir. And we're going to go ahead and set this aside. And now I'm going to go ahead and start making the sausage. All right, you guys, so now while I am waiting to make the sausage patty, I'm gonna go ahead and get my garlic bread together. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna go ahead and make the patty. I know I said that a few minutes ago, but yeah. It's kind of still frozen a little bit, so I'm just, this part right here is still frozen, so I'm not gonna use that part. I just need to find something to put it in or on. Alright. Get this patted out. And you guys, I'm not gonna, I am gonna flatten it out, but I'm gonna make it the shape of my roll. So it's gonna be kind of like this. You guys, so once this is done, I will be right back. Alright, you guys, the sausage is done, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this from the pan and place it on a plate. And I'm gonna go ahead and wash this pan out so I can use it for my just eggs. Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and melt some butter. And this is the plant-based butter, you guys. So now, even though the butter has not melted all the way, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the just egg in there. And with this, you have to keep your temperature on low because these right here will burn and they will stick to the pan. So make sure you're also using a non-stick pan as well. But keep your temperature on low and you gotta keep monitoring it so it won't stick. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, my garlic bread is ready. I'm glad I checked it. I almost burnt it, y'all. I forgot to check on it. See how, what I'm saying about the just eggs, they'll stick a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that temperature on down some more. And I'm just gonna let it like cook slow. I had it on 4, so now I'm turning it down to 2. And y'all, I don't want to scramble these, so that's why I keep doing this. I'm going to get it flipped over. I'm going to turn that down some more and let it continue to cook. I didn't want it to look like that, but yeah. I'm going to fix that though. It's all good, y'all. So yeah, these are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and build a sandwich, you guys.
I can see. Let me see.